Hey, it's John McBride with the Droning Company at Com UAV 2024, and I have a really special taking a look at Leica. And Leica, as known in the industry, in our industry, has a lot of products out there that are already flying on aircraft. But what we wanted to take a look at is one that already has a system built into their own aircraft, branded by them, made by them. And so I guess overall, the experience for the end user and the pilot is not having to do a bunch of crazy things to get their data or what they want. So I'm here with
Frank Collazo, reality capture, U.S., Canada, and
and
this is my colleague.
And Matt Brown.
Matt
Leica
Brown. Matt, what do you do?
I operate the Northeastern Territory and some of the Midwest for our reality capture division,
Perfect.
an autonomous division specifically.
So do you work a little bit more with these as well,
I do.
on the reality capture side?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay. So kind of explaining like why was the reason for the development of this specific aircraft? As mentioned, it's already built in. Everything's built in.
Yeah, so actually we started with our autonomous fleet with the BLK 360. Then 5-6 years ago, we got the handheld SLAM scanner. So we needed something. This guy only goes about 75 feet, right? So we needed something to supplement this. For instance, you're doing a large building like this.
Right.
Well, you can't get the top floors. You can only get, say, from the ground floor to the third floor.
Sure.
Hence, the Leica BLK to fly comes in. This is all autonomous, right? It's got camera. It's got radar and LiDAR for obstacle avoidance.
Really?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
the concept is do a polygonal fence around your building, hit play, and
Moves through, all automated.
all automated. If there's a power line or if there's trees or if there's machinery in the way, it'll go around or over it while trying to maintain the same flight path.
Okay. Little more techie question, since you have this kind of building in the back here. Do you have colorization with the LiDAR capture? Let's talk
Love it.
about that tech.
Yeah, excellent question. So because of the 5 cameras, camera left side up, right? We got camera down here and then over here and over here, right? It's snapping photos synchronized every meter. So on the import, the point cloud gets colorized. So this is so right there, I'll just scoot down. If you see
Sure.
if you see that screen right there,
Right here behind us, a
You
little
could
bit of example of that.
you can see the BLK to fly capturing that building, going around all of that scaffolding. That's the colorized point cloud. So what's awesome about the Leica system is it doesn't take 2 or 3 days to process. I scanned that building 3 weeks ago. It took me 10 minutes. Half an hour later, I had a colorized point cloud that I can bring into AutoCAD or Revit or just start taking measurements and start drawing it up.
So in a sense of the how we use this, you said this range is still 75.
Correct.
So we're not doing anything where we're doing these big, huge fields or scans. This is very more built for structure-based and close-up stuff, even internal kind of capture.
Correct. So a maximum range, 75 feet. This is not a wide area mapping drone.
Yep.
You're not going to fly 150 feet up. It doesn't even capture ortho photos. It captures panoramic images and very accurate point cloud. 1 to 2 meter resolution, accuracy. It's got the GNSS, GPS,
Yep.
right? So real world coordinates. Now that's outdoors. Indoors, this is not meant for a schoolhouse scanning indoors or a house. This is meant for a stadium, a theater, a large open warehouse. You can capture with the BLK to fly indoors 20 times faster than a tripod scanner.
Yeah.
And up to 10 times faster than a SLAM handheld scanner, because flying is always faster than walking, right?
It's much funner to fly. That's why we're here. Yeah. So even though you have a combination of different sensors here doing their thing, overall, the idea is to try to, again, bring it in to give this a sole purpose and a sole reason that you really don't need a lot of the other additional items.
If it's the right project, this is all you need.
Yeah.
Now, if it's an old schoolhouse with small doors, I don't want to use this because you'd have to turn the obstacle avoidance off.
Sure.
I don't like turning the obstacle avoidance off. That's
Yeah.
how I get myself in trouble.
Okay. I'm guessing I've been piloting very long, so some people are like, yeah, I would manually fly that, no problem.
Yeah, you don't want to manually fly. You want to use autonomy as
Yeah.
much as you can.
Well, I believe in the industry we are going down this direction. So to see a lot more autonomous use, and then also I've trained thousands of pilots over the years, and you do have a level of like some are just like would rather push the button and let it go.
Right.
So great development here, and again, you working on your side. What is the how is it that you're pushing on that side?
So with the terrestrial side, tripod mounted scanners play well with all of our other scanners that collect data. Very small areas with the BLK 360 G2 where this can't see, we can put this in there and fill in the blanks. With the BLK to go, we can, as Frank was mentioning, walk interiors, get into areas where we can't fly. Maybe we can't get this unit in. But they all come together. Same software, same
Good point.
development. Everything comes together.
Yeah. Well, when you really do it, like all the initial data capture, when you're capturing so many things with so many different devices and so many softwares, when you have a one-place shop, I think I really love it. That's kind of the general idea here.
That's right.
Okay. All right. So they already told me no, I can't have one and just walk out of the booth here today. It's fine. We'll work with them a little bit later in the year. So we'll just have to drive them up to Utah and get them there.
Happy to go out there. Happy to go out there and see you.
All right. Hey, thanks guys, and appreciate it so much. Again, Droning Company guys, if you're interested in any of the Leica products and anything that they make, please get a hold of us, send an email, let us know.